All right, we're looking at set theory. I wanted to run through this example and talk a little bit about some of the notation and kind of give examples of things in context. A large bag holds marbles of the following colors: blue, green, orange, and pink. A small bag holds marbles of the following colors: red, green, yellow, and orange. Define the universal set. That would be all of the marbles. So blue, green, orange, pink, red, and yellow. Notice that we can have we're using S for sample space or space in the past, but now we can just start using capital letters for whatever makes sense. And then we are looking at using abbreviations again and using brackets and using commas, things like that. So notice that also we didn't have to list green and orange twice. We just listed it once. The universal set just includes everything, no matter what the subsets have in them. So here we're going to define the subsets. L for large, the large bag has blue, green, orange, pink. You're also going to see green and orange in the small bag. S for small, red, green, yellow, orange, because now they're two separate subsets, and we need to make sure that it's clear that the green and orange are in the large one and in the small one. The Venn diagram is also going to show that green and orange is in the large and small bag because of where the two circles intersect. So that's green and orange, and then you have the blue and pink marbles that are only in large and not in small, and then you have the yellow and red ones that are in small but not in large. And then obviously these two are in both of the bags. If I were to say something like, what are the marbles that are the complement of S? So complement is a word that means not. So in that case, we would say, well, what are the marbles that are not in S? Answer B, P, blue, and pink. So that word complement sounds sort of maybe new or sort of out of context, but that just means not. Think about it that way. It says find the intersection in the union of the subsets. So the intersection is going to be what is in L and S. And so I think about this as not inclusive there, like it's not in L and in S. It is in the intersection of the two circles. So what is overlapping in L and S? The union of the subsets is everything. So that is it in large, or is it in S, or is it in both? So that's exactly how I need you to think about it. Is it in L, or is it in S, or is it in both? That's what union means.